Hello, Saco. My name is Edward Weeks. I've been working with David. I just wanted to go over the 2024 Sprinter Passenger van that we've been looking at. This is the jet black Sprinter van with jet black painted rims. This is a beautiful van. It's a 12 passenger, so it's got the 144 wheelbase. As we come over, I'm going to go over quite a few things throughout the van. This one comes very nicely equipped. You've got some comfort packages, premium packages, blind spot assist. You've got a rear comfort package, and then you also have the high performance rear air conditioning system. Right now, as you come in, you see all the seats are leather. This is the 12 passenger again. Nice access here on the rear. One thing I do want to show you is that you have the two front windows that open. You also have the rear doors that open, but if you're converting it into a camper, a nice thing to do is you can just build a little wedge. So when you're parked, you have a nice window to open. Really nice feature that adds quite a bit to everything. One of the other nice features is as we go to the back, when you're looking at storage and just getting through, one, you've got the heated rear defrosters on the back windows, which are wonderful. But when you open up, what's great about these is these are built with the 180-degree opening. So you can really get in and keep the doors wide. What's great about these for building it into a camper is all these seats are removable by just touching the clips down here, and you can take the seats right out. Beautiful van on the outside, your rear view cameras all around the car. What we'll do is we'll take a look inside, and I'll go over all the questions that you had for David and for me to answer for you. All right, Saco. So it's great, easy access, super comfortable. These are the comfort package seats, absolutely great. What's nice too is that the driver has a heated seat. So whoever's going to do the driving gets to have a heated seat. We'll go ahead and start the engine. Again, now here you have the Mercedes-Benz user experience on your dash, 7.5-inch screen. What happens is you pop open here, you've got access to all your plugins and chargers, and you plug your phone in and you have Apple CarPlay right on there. A couple of things I think you wanted to talk about is the sound of the air conditioning when we turn it on. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and hit rear. We're going to put it all the way up. And Tom, I think that's it, right? Hit that one, or are we good? There we go. And it's kicking in now, so I'm going to be a little quiet and let you listen to the airflow as it comes on. That is, of course, on full blast, so that's quite something. What we'll do is also let you know, like when we're in reverse, you're going to notice you have a 360 camera. You have a bunch of different angles you can choose. You've got a side view of the van, which is fantastic. Great for easy parking. This actually is a very maneuverable van at the 144 wheelbase. Really, you can park in any parking spot. So it's not as cumbersome as driving a classic coach, I would say. But again, you have all your different camera angles, so when you need it, it's there. Quite nice. And to engage the vehicle is similar to the, it's different than the Coachman that you guys have. This one is using the toggle here on the right to put it in drive, to put it in reverse, left and right turn signal, and your front and rear windshield wiper blades. What's nice is you can control the touchscreen either with your finger, or you can use the home button on the steering wheel here, and I can address anything I want on the main screen by just toggling my thumb. So it's really very adaptive, very user-friendly. Beautiful van, great drive, super comfortable. Feel free, let us know if you have any other questions. The one thing you can do is you can turn on the lights when the van is off. Why don't we turn them on, Tom, so she can see? This one?
No, turn it down.
Okay.
And then up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are all the lights on currently, and the van is not running. So that's great. So you can have the lights on while you're in park and the engine is off. Of course, if you do end up wanting to put in a second battery, great opportunity to run the lights through the second battery as well, so you're not draining on the main battery. Other than that, feel free to reach out. David, let me know if you have any other questions. We'd be happy to go over the van further if there's anything else that you guys need. All right. Look forward to seeing you. Happy camping.